guys, welcome to a new video. Today is the video I wanted to make for so long. The coupe is back. It's back on plates, so we can drive it fully now. I got a lot of plans for the car. We're gonna go to the Nürburgring, some mods that I'm gonna reveal later. But for today it's just a simple video. We're gonna drive the car, have some fun with it. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. The hood is open, not because it's broken, but the sunlight is reflecting and so you can see my face. I think I'm gonna start off with showing you around the car. Of course the lip is on. So I have driven a little bit with the lip and I can tell you it's very low. It scratches on about, I don't know, 25% of the bumps, so we have to fix that. But I have a fix for it, which is exciting. I have it laying so you can see it. You can see it. But it's laying right there. I'm gonna reveal it later, so stay tuned. Now we're gonna walk around the car. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like. Pretty much the same as when it went into storage, but let me show you around the car. So here it is. It's currently open with the hood because the sun is reflecting. Still a stock engine, but we might change that later on, but it's not my priority at the moment. The sun is harsh. Let me see. So pretty much the same. Full M around, style 24 wheels, 2.5 liter 6-cylinder. So the GT lip, that's something that wasn't there before but is now. Then I think the most special about my car, wait, let me adjust this. As you can see, M-cloth Vader interior, which came with the car, so that's pretty nice. It's in perfect condition, as you can see. No scratches, no, everything is perfect. Look at this. How cool is that pattern? It's fully 90s, so M steering wheel, little shift knob, so back seat's also perfect. So door cards, they're a bit hangy, but yeah, that's E36 I guess. By now we are gonna do a quick vacuum because yeah, it's not that clean anymore. Let's get the vacuum out. So last time I started filming, it started raining, so as you can see on the car, I made it pretty filthy. So we are gonna do the driving today. It's a pretty nice day. There's rain coming this midday, so we're gonna do it in the morning. We're gonna go for a drive. I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head and tell you more about the plans I have for the future. But now I'm gonna get the car out again and start driving. Yeah, M4 from that. So now we're gonna do some driving with this baby. Hopefully there aren't any speed bumps on the road I have in mind, because then the lip will be fully destroyed at those speeds. So we're gonna go to the road, then I'm gonna put the GoPro on my head so you can see what I'm seeing. Hopefully it will turn out great, and I hope you guys enjoy. difference it makes driving a 316 Touring or a 323i Coupe. It's massive. And the sound. So the mod I've been talking about and wanting for so long is finally here. It's coilovers. Everyone's been saying it, do coilovers, because a 20-year-old BMW is a sloppy ass vehicle. So I got coilovers. So we are gonna set the ride height a bit higher because I'm hitting quite a lot of bumps with the lip and I don't want to, and I'm probably gonna destroy the lip on the Nürburgring in the carousel, so that's not what we want to do. So we're gonna set it a bit higher, but I'm very excited, and there is gonna be an installment video for this, so that's gonna be a load of fun. So that will be coming in the next couple of weeks, not sure when, but yeah, you like it too? See? Approved again. So that was it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. There's going to be a lot more content coming with this car because it's way more exciting. So I thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.